Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, and that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, once again, this is a case of deja vu. More updates need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just get rid of that line right there, do some house cleaning. Sure, that level still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. One of the newest areas that need to be updated is right here at $1.48, which if you watched yesterday's video, I talked about as a level of resistance. But as the very foundational rule states in technical analysis, when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So $1.48, one of the newest areas of support. As far as the ideal level going forward, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the best? That would be if the price can stay up above $1.58. With that being said, if the price does fall below $1.58, that doesn't imply the entire chart's broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay up above that level, then that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. But again, you still have $1.48. And then assuming you care about more so a broader time horizon on things, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So the very straightforward way to gauge the health of the overall move, this right here being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.58 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not even going to touch on those because in my opinion, at this point, resistance levels don't matter. Why do I say that? Well, what really matters is what the chart has already been doing. And what matters is this right here. Building higher bases. As long as these higher bases continue to be built, that's what you want. If you picture these as stair steps, then as you can see here, as long as these stair steps, aka higher lows, continue to be built higher and higher, then everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So just focus on going through healthy consolidations and building higher lows and sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.